Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn how to alignment the schedule in Microsoft Excel 2016. Let's start. First we will open Microsoft Excel, blank workbook, and then type anything anywhere. 1, here's 2, and then highlight it, then right click, format cells, and then you will find here number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. You will press alignment and then have here horizontal if you want it center, and vertical also center, and then press OK to allow it. Here you will have the number in the center, and this is how we can alignment the text in Microsoft Excel 2016. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and goodbye.